Can you see yourself in the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE? This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this sleek, muscular GLE. Rewarding on every level, its advanced tech offers customized driving modes, digital instrumentation, and driver assist features, while its atmospheric cabin captivates the imagination. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, hands-free liftgate, remote engine start, wood grain interior trim. Boldly powerful yet serenely luxurious. That's the GLE SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.